Am berfformiad, ond siom yn y diwedd, Sean?
Ie, bendant. Siomedig iawn, ond cyn y gêm fi'n ni'n cymryd y pwynt fi'n credu, ond ffordd wnaeth y gêm mynd, cyfleoedd wnaethon ni cael yn torri fyny, a falle penderfyniadau anghywir yn lan y cae. I nhw sgorio yn y munud olaf, mae siomedig iawn.
Yn y darlun mawr, mae hwnna'n 2 bwynt wedi gollwng gyda pen y bont yn ennill.
Ie, allan ni mo'n concentratio ni'n hyn. Gymaint o disappointing ydi o. Mae rhaid ni sbio ar y positives hefyd, sa'n ni wedi gallu mynd o yma hebyn byd. So, nawn ni gymryd y positif yn allan o'na fo, symud ymlaen, dysgu o'na fo, a wedyn gobeithio gêm nesaf roed o'n iawn.
A range of emotions from angry, frustrated, but also proud of the group. And before the game, a point would have been a decent result, but to concede so late is so disappointing.
I think that's the difference between us and because Caernarfon they're fighting for second, and if you look at the game overall today, I think that's the little details that's being clinical in the final third. Which we've obviously come up against teams like that, and they are clinical. So I think that's the next step for us now, is being more clinical.
The last 3 or 4 games we've been very good. We've been really proud of the performances, individually and collectively, but we haven't got the results that we deserve, and I feel that that's happened again today.
Sean, ti yw'r hynna, yr un mwyaf profiadol yn y tîm, mae lot o chwaraewyr ifanc. Lot o chwaraewyr ifanc yn cynrychioli Llanelli. Un ohonyn nhw yw Jack Norris, mae'n dechrau ar ei daith pêl-drod, ond am chwaraewr.
Ie, mae wedi'n ein dda, rhaid i fe arbed amser y dechrau tymor oedd yn mas o'r tîm, os wnaeth e wedi dod mewn yn erbyn hwlffordd a cadw Chris, achos mae perfformiadau fe wedi bod yn dda, mae'n llawer o hyder, mae'n llawer o egni yn y canol, a mae'n ein dda heddiw eto.
But for you, an excellent performance, I must say, and you also scored your first goal in the Cymru Prem, something that you won't forget.
Yeah, of course, first goal, not only first goal in the Cymru Prem, but first goal in men's football, so, a really positive start for me, and it was a good goal.
Obviously disappointed not to start, but coming on at half-time, we had a job to do, and thankfully got the goal at the end and rescued a point.
Yeah, you say rescue a point. Do you think Caernarfon were lucky to get 1 point?
No, I wouldn't say lucky. I'd say it was a tough game. They made it hard for us, to be fair. They were very direct, and their front 2 caused quite a few problems for us, but I just feel like if we were a bit more calm on the ball, made a few more passes, it would have been a lot easier for us.
Wnaethoch chi newid hanner amser yn dod â Josh Locke i'r ca, fe oedd chwaraewr gorau Caernarfon heddiw, a fe gath y gol bwysig.
Ie, ac dwi'n teimlo i fod yn fair, gymaint a dwi eisiau rhaid baich ar yr hogia, mae hwnna arna fi heddiw. Nes i meddwl sy'n ni'n dod lawr yma fo'r tywydd a'r conditions, a nes i dynnu Josh Locke allan o'r tîm bore yma, a meddwl bys o fi eisiau physical midfield. So, i fod yn fair i'r hogia, mae'r perfformiad yna arna fi heddiw, bod fi wedi tynnu Josh Locke allan.